What's the name of your card?
Five of spades.
Five of spades? That's nice. Wait.
Middle of summer, my eyes drip a lot. Red dot is shining your eye. Chicken pox, red balls, they all on my line. Pick a thought, elevate right to the sky. Tippy top niggas be faker than fake. Wish you watch soon as they hop in the whip. Give me top hit cause they all on my bitch. Lady cop think about wife in this dot. Maybe not. Giggity, 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 goo. She take a
This was insane! Like, it was like like all these cards like this size, and then he
giggity, 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 goo. She take her top off and so did the coop. I'm in your honey like Winnie the Pooh.
What's up, guys? It's me, Arthur the Magic Savage, and we're back in a brand new magic video once again. Today, I'm here with my boy Aaron Taylor.
What's good, y'all?
And I'm here with my boy William.
What's up? What they do, y'all? What's up?
Alright, so guys, talk to the camera. What are you guys promoting right now? What are you guys
So today we came and repping the brand, Black Market, BMK all day.
Hey,
Y'all, we do skits, YouTube skits, comedy.
There you
we
go.
do music.
Come on with it.
Clothing, and we also do a podcast. You can find us our Instagram page right here.
Black Market 0275.
Black Market 0275. So we go there.
Take it down. Take it down.
So if I want to buy like a sweater, or a jacket, or a shirt, where can I go to get one? If I
So what you want to do, you want to DM us on our page.
Yep.
And we got different images on there for y'all. So if y'all choose that image, y'all DM us, let us know what size you wear, and we'll get you popping.
It's gonna be real tailored to your style. You know, whatever your liking is.
Swanky.
real swanky. So if you want to be looking like this,
come on.
You want to have fashion behind your attire. Definitely go to Black Market 0275 on Instagram. You said Twitter.
Yeah, that's on our Twitter, our Instagram, our YouTube, and also the podcast.
Whatever you could think about, we got it on there. That's what it is.
Definitely, guys. So it's been a while. I've been trying to get you on the channel for a minute now, man. I'm finally glad you're here on the channel. I want to do some magic for them. I want to show them some awesome magic.
Okay.
So yeah, you guys believe in magic?
Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, best. So we're gonna try some awesome, crazy magic with Aaron and Will. This is gonna be lit, guys. Follow me. Let's get it poppin'. Let's go.
Let's go.
You ready?
Come on. Let's go. Let's do it.
All right. So guys, very important. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you take the time out, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. If you're not a part of this Magic Savage channel, there's no other family like this on YouTube, guys. I promise you. So yeah, take that time out, hit that subscribe button. In my hand, I have a lighter. I'm gonna try something with fire. Check this out. I have a lighter in my hand, like so, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna try something with this lighter here. Okay, watch. I'm gonna try something with fire. I'm gonna try to manipulate fire. Okay. So all I want you to do is I want you to watch the flame. Keep your eyes on the flame.
Alright, I'm looking at it.
So all I want you to keep your eyes on the flame. Watch the flame. Okay, keep your eyes on the flame. Watch. Watch the flame. Watch. Watch. Now watch. Watch what I do with fire. Ooh! That's how you. That's how you manipulate fire. I burned myself.
What the fuck?
Yeah, I burned.
Oh shit. Hey, that was hot. That was hot.
On your hand? Did it hurt like that?
I'm the Magic Savage, man.
Oh
Yeah.
snap. Hey.
I wanna try something else.
Okay.
Now hold on. Wait a minute. Stop. Before we get started on this magic,
Come on.
I think y'all need a little black magic of this black market.
Come on.
So on YouTube, you gotta go and type in Black Market
275.
and we gonna get you popping.
Come on. Do it now. Stop whatever you're doing.
Stop.
Get on there, man. Hit that big S button.
Subscribe, y'all.
It's probably too big. You don't know how to say it, but just push it. Subscribe.
Let's get it.
Come on. Let's go.
Alright, so we just done that fire effect with the lighter. How do you guys feel about that chick with the lighter?
Oh, that was something different.
Hey.
Watch this, man.
I can't even believe it, bro. Honestly. Keep it up real.
Let's try
Keep
this.
it a buck.
I put a deck of cards here on the table, and I want to try to read your mind. I'm trying to get inside your head using this deck of cards here.
Okay, word.
Yeah.
I'm looking too.
Alright.
Alright, so let me go ahead and just show the camera, show you guys at home all the cards in the deck. You can see all the cards in the deck are different cards. Just a regular deck of cards, right? All the cards in the pack. You got all the different faces, different suits, different numbers, right? So with that being said, I want you to take this deck, and I want you just to mix the cards. Let's go ahead and just shuffle the deck. So Aaron's gonna shuffle this deck up. So go ahead and shuffle the deck, Aaron.
Cut this, cut it up.
You need to shuffle it too.
Yeah. I want some love in that one. Let me get some of that.
You want something?
Yeah. Let me see that.
Hey.
Yeah, hold on. Make sure I put that.
He's gonna make my job hard. My job is gonna be super hard after
Best
this.
believe.
Yeah.
Got to. Hold on. Let me do a 3-card cut. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it.
My career will be like, Right.
Alright.
Alright, so you guys agree this deck is shuffled. Y'all shuffle this deck, right? Awesome. I'm gonna, as I go through the cards like so, I want you just to think of one you see, okay? And lock it inside your head.
Okay, got
So I'm just gonna go ahead and pass the cards like so. Have you seen the card yet?
Yeah.
You seen one?
Mm-hmm.
You got it locked inside your head?
Yeah.
Like locked, there's no way I can get inside your head out of all the cards in the deck, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're gonna try this. I want you just to visualize that card in between us. Just visualize the image of that card in between us, okay? So you didn't pick a card. You didn't physically take it out. You didn't physically take the card out. You thought about it in your head, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try this. Let me know if you see your card, okay?
I see it.
You seen it?
Yeah.
Awesome. I want you to keep that card inside your head. Don't say it out loud, okay?
Okay.
So what I'm gonna do is this. I'm gonna deal the cards. I'm gonna try to see if I can find your card. I'm trying to see if I can get a sense just by dealing the cards down.
It's like paranormal activity, man. It's crazy.
I'm gonna stop right here. I felt the card. I felt the energy of his. I actually felt something. I actually felt connected to him.
If you don't mind, do you mind?
What was actually? Actually, don't even whisper it at all.
Okay.
It's completely mental. What was? Let's see. Think about the color of the card. Think about the color of that card. Okay. Think about. For the first time, I stopped right here. What was the name of your card?
The Ace of Diamonds.
The Ace of Diamonds.
Yeah.
The card. I stopped at. I'm not going to touch this card. Turn over the card. Turn over that card right now.
It's tripping.
Show it to the camera.
Tripping. Come on.
Come on, dog. Hey.
Check out all the cards.
That's crazy. Come on.
You shuffled the deck. You shuffled the cards. And you thought of one.
That man sorcery level high. So
In
man,
your head, you didn't touch it. You just thought of it. Right.
that's crazy.
What's up, guys? I'm the Magic Savage. If you like that magic video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. Tell me what you think about the magic. If you have not subscribed, join this Magic Savage channel, guys.
Let's go.
Yo, y'all, it's truly been an experience with my boy
crazy.
Magic Savage, man. Blowing our minds.
Come on, man.
What I need you to do, follow my boy and follow us at Black Market
275
in the building.
Best
y'all.
believe. Don't forget the 275. Black Market 275. Tell them what we got one more time.
Man, one more time, we got merch, we got music, we got podcasts, we got it all. Stop playing.
Don't play with it. Get with it. Like I said. The subscribe button. Press it.
Yeah, sock that subscribe button, beat that subscribe button up, guys. See you next time on the Magic Savage.
Hey.
Like Market.
Also, guys, very important. If you want to learn how to break the ice of women, talk to ladies using magic, I highly suggest you guys take my Magic Savage Kickstarter course. The Magic Savage Kickstarter course is 12 weeks long. I'll teach you guys how to talk to ladies, use magic as an icebreaker, and understand the psychology behind women. So once again, if you still don't know how to talk to ladies and you want to use magic as an icebreaker, sign up for my Magic Savage Kickstarter course. I will leave my email in the comment section. My email is arthurgomez300@yahoo.com. So yeah, if you're ready to take this course, go ahead, go on to Yahoo, send me an email, and I'll send you the syllabus, and I will get you guys started today. Arthur the Magic Savage. See you guys next time. Peace out.